Muyumbe wa Kiharu Ndidi Nyoro Niwavuthiisya Uthukumi wa Kinandu cha Myako Kana housing levy Kila Kyekiiiwe ni Silikali ya President William Ruto Aiweta Kana Nikiemetwe ni Kuete Mwiana Museo Maunduni ma Myako Nyoro Niwenda Mawalyuku Mekwe Kinanduni Aiweta Kana Kuma Mwakani wa ngilili miongweli na ina Kiyietete Mawalyuku ona Amwe na Vena Vata wa kutangilo vya Amwe Ndindi ingeyenda vethiwe na utheu na umeliu yulu wa Kinandu mwaka mweu ena ilivoti.
Muyumbe uyu wa Kiharu wainena na ndikimama uvo Niwavuthiisya Kana ona gutwika Silikali thithitwe thitila nthi koti wa waki wa nyumba cia tho wa windi. Rivoti ya waki wa nyumba vanthi ya Kenya yonania kana waki wa nyumba tauthete kwa kilungu kinene.
Sector, especially in 2024, it is very clear that the housing levy is not going in the same direction as the growth in the construction sector, basing on 2024. 2025 was different because, of course, there was already a decline in 2024. So, even beyond that, I think Kenyans deserve also to have the cuts around housing levy.
Nyoro ni wakulia ingi Silikali kunikile yulu wa koti uyu neyo langa koti munene ula yende na kunya a Kenya. Aiweta Kana koti uyu tawithitwe muyo muito kwa Kenya maukwati munini.
This levy was actually not supposed to be a tax. It was supposed to be a saving initially. But the government, of course, changed that to become a tax. So we should also zoom into those kind of areas where you are paying a specific tax, but you are not a beneficiary of that specific tax. I think the most critical thing for Kenyans, even after lowering the pay, they've been asking a very critical question. Why are we perpetually paying for housing levy? Money that is never counted when it comes to owning a home. So even beyond the pay, the government must go ahead and actually remove some of these levies that have proven that they are actually not working for the economy.
Ndani ka Muyumbe uyu ni watelemia kunengane namba cia simu cia maofisa nene nthini wa kambuni wa mekumukanile wa Vodacom alendekithia nthi methiwe mathikulilia nemo ene yulu wa kuthoa cia Safaricom. Aiweta Kana Silikali tayemete ni kuthambalala yulu uthosia uu.
And because we've been seeing those in government just dumping and they don't want to take responsibility to give credible feedback to Kenyans in terms of this transaction, I want to tell them this. We are giving you time to respond to issues that Kenyans are raising. And if people who are charged in negotiating for Kenyans will still continue to talk on behalf of the buyers, I am giving them this ultimatum today that I am going to give Kenyans the contacts of the directors of Vodacom so that Kenyans can engage them directly on behalf of their 100 shares per Kenyan, which the Kenyan government is selling. So we are going to give the number of the chairman of Vodacom.
Livotia vilingiwa mavoni toa mwaka mweu.